Hey there, meat lovers. Ever wondered how to cook the perfect prime rib every time? Well, today I'm going to show you a foolproof method that'll have your taste buds dancing. First things first, let's talk ingredients. You'll need a 4-pound bone-in prime rib roast brought to room temperature. This is crucial. Let it sit out for about 2 to 4 hours. Next, get yourself 1/4 cup of softened unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of freshly ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of herbes de Provence, and kosher salt to taste. Alright, once your prime rib is at room temperature, preheat your oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, or 260 degrees Celsius. Now grab a bowl and mix together the butter, pepper, and herbes de Provence until it's well blended. Spread this heavenly mixture all over your roast, making sure to coat every nook and cranny. Then, season it generously with kosher salt. Here comes the fun part. Place your prime rib in the preheated oven and roast it for 20 minutes. If your roast is a different size, just multiply its exact weight by 5 minutes. For example, a 5.35-pound roast would roast for about 27 minutes. Once the time's up, turn off the oven, but don't open the door. Let the roast sit in the oven for 2 hours undisturbed. This is where the magic happens, folks. After the 2 hours are up, carefully remove your prime rib from the oven, slice into it, and marvel at the perfectly pink, medium-rare meat. Serve it up and watch your guests' faces light up with joy, and there you have it, the perfect prime rib every single time. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. Love the recipe? Please like and subscribe and share with your friend at Star Flavor King. Prime rib tips. This simple, foolproof mathematical method for making the very best prime rib will greatly increase your chances of success. Here is the formula. Multiply the exact weight times 5 minutes. For me it was 5.35 x 5 = 26.75 minutes, which we round up to 27. You'll cook your room temperature prime rib at 500 degrees F for exactly that many minutes. 27 minutes in my case. Then turn off the oven and wait 2 hours without opening the door. When the time's up, remove the prime rib and slice into the most perfectly medium-rare meat you've ever seen. See? That's all it takes to make foolproof prime rib cooked to a perfect pink that's somewhere just a shade under medium rare. Just make sure you're starting with a prime rib that has been brought to room temperature. This is critical in order for the math to work.